Hello, today I'm going to show you how to set up Shopify product bundles. Let's start. First of all, open your browser. Go to the Shopify website. Now open your store on the Shopify website. Make sure you're on the admin.shopify.com website. Click on Search and search for an app named Simple Bundles and Kits. Now go to the app and click on Build Bundle. To create a bundle, you have to create a product first. Now go into the Products section. Click on Add Product. Customize it however you want and then click on Save. Now go back to the Bundles app. Click on Build Bundle. Click on Create New Bundle. Now click on Add Product and choose the product you just created. You can add more than one product as well. Discount it however you want and name it to your liking. Now click on Save and Continue. Choose the price for your bundle. Now go to your online store option and click on View Your Store. As you can see, your bundles are now available in your store. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.